Good day, everyone. It is both an honor and a privilege to share with you the story of Casilieras Charity Organization UK. A story that began not with wealth, power, or influence, but with friendship, compassion, and hope. Our story started with 5 ordinary Filipino women living and working here in the United Kingdom. Like thousands of overseas Filipino workers, they left behind their family and loved ones to search for a better future. Behind every smile was a sacrifice. Behind every success was homesickness, loneliness, and countless silent struggles. Every Friday evening, after a long week of work, they gathered around a simple bottle of Casillero wine. Those evenings were never about the wine itself. They were about friendships. They were about listening without judgment, encouraging one another, sharing meals, sharing laughter, and sometimes sharing tears. Those gatherings became a safe place, a sanctuary where they reminded one another that no one had to face life's challenges alone. For those simple Friday evenings, an extraordinary idea was born. In 2016, Casilieras Charity Organization UK was officially established. The name was inspired by the Casillero wine that brought everyone together. Since every founding member was a woman, they proudly chose the name Casilieras, a name that represents resilience, unity, compassion, and the incredible strength of women lifting one another up. As our organization grew, so did our purpose. We realized that caring for people meant caring not only for their financial needs, but also for their emotional and mental well-being. Living far away from family can be incredibly difficult. We also encourage sports and recreational activities that promote friendship, reduce stress, improve mental health, and strengthen our community. At Casilieras, we believe our greatest strength is unity. We acknowledge and welcome everyone regardless of race, nationality, religion, culture, sexual orientation, or gender identity. Because kindness has no nationality. Compassion has no religion, and humanity has no boundaries. One of the moments we are most proud came in 2017 when we created the Miss Queen Pacific Beauty Pageant for transgender women. This was never simply a beauty pageant. It was a platform where transgender women could be seen, heard, respected, and celebrated with dignity. We wanted every contestant to know that their value is never defined by gender, but by the goodness of their heart and the strength of their character. Many people in the LGBTQ+ community still experience rejection, misunderstanding, and discrimination, even within their own families. Through this event, we encourage people to step out of the cell of fear and embrace who they truly are. As we often say, you might have your own prisoner of gender sitting or sleeping next to you. Those words remind us that every person carries a story we may never fully understand. – Instead of judging, let us choose compassion. Instead of building walls, let us build bridges. Instead of creating enemies, let us create allies and friends. That is the spirit of Casilieras. Our mission has always been simple: to uplift vulnerable individuals.
Salamat sa mga Castelleros at sa mga ibang tumulong ha. At napakalaking tulong nito sa amin. Maraming salamat ulit.
To support communities in need, to inspire hope, and to remind people that even the smallest act of kindness can change someone's life forever. Long before Casilieras was formally established, our heart were already serving others. In 2015, we launched what we called the iShare Project, our Gift of Life initiative. Through iShare, we extended help to many Filipinos facing terminal illnesses, medical emergencies, or the sudden loss of loved ones. Whatever it may, financial support, emotional encouragement, or simply letting someone know they were not alone. Every act of kindness mattered. Then came one of the greatest challenges our generation has ever faced: the COVID-19 pandemic. During those difficult times, many families lost their jobs, while our healthcare workers risked everything to protect others. Although we were afraid like everyone else, fear did not stop us. Together with my wife and several Casilieras volunteers, we personally delivered groceries and food to families who desperately needed help. We knocked on doors carrying food, but more importantly, we carried hope. Eventually, our resources became exhausted and the organization became inactive. But our advocacy never stopped. My wife and I continued serving in whatever way we could, not only here in the United Kingdom but also in the Philippines, whenever communities were affected by typhoons, earthquakes, and other natural disasters. Because true service does not end when the funds run out. True service lives in the heart. Life has taught us one very important lesson: no money and no amount of money can buy another sunrise. No amount of wealth can purchase another heartbeat. No success can replace one more healthy day with the people we love. Life itself is the greatest gift we will ever receive. And because life is precious, we believe it should also be shared. Casilieras Charity Organization UK is more than an organization. We are a family united by compassion, strengthened by sacrifice, guided by faith, and inspired by a shared commitment to make a meaningful difference in the lives of others. The past 10 years have not always been easy. We have experienced challenges, disappointments, and difficult decisions. Some people stay, some people move on, but one thing has never changed: our mission, our heart, our commitment to serve. That is why our motto is Samahang Walang Iwanan, a community where no one is left behind. Those words are more than a slogan. They are our promise. A promise to stand beside those who are struggling. A promise to welcome everyone without discrimination. A promise to continue serving with humanity, humility, compassion, dignity, and love. As we look to the future, we continue to embrace diversity and inclusion, working together with our partners, volunteers, and supporters to build stronger communities where every person feels valued, respected, and empowered. Because we believe that together we can give more. Together we can care more.
Hey, we are here. Thank you so much for everything.
Together we can inspire more. And together we can change lives. Allow me to leave you with this thought. People may forget our names. They may forget what we own. They may even forget what we achieved. But they will never forget how we made them feel. If each of us leaves this room today with the desire to help just one person, then together we can create a ripple of kindness that reaches far beyond anything we could accomplish alone. On behalf of Casillas Charity Organization UK, thank you to every volunteer, every partner, every supporter, and every person who believes that compassion can change the world. May we continue to live by our motto, samahang walang iwanan, because no one should never be left behind. Maraming salamat po. God bless us all. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
We are on a journey, not a destination. Casillas, come join us!
All my friends behind me, how can I go wrong this time? I'm going up, getting down. Think our reality came around. Not just waiting for the daybreak,